Welcome back, guys. I had a video planned today, but because something's wrong with my voice and I don't know what it is, I don't really feel sick or badly. I do feel drained. I am going to do something different and change the schedule a little bit, guys, because I want to keep this schedule. So what I want to do instead, guys, is just show you some things from my other channels, because I've got other channels that have things going on. I want to kind of promote that a little bit and maybe show you a video that you didn't see because you're not subscribed to those channels. Maybe you'll want to subscribe once you see them. So check some of this stuff out. Why that you are mindful of me, how you hear me when I call. Is it true that you are thinking of me, how you love me? It's amazing. He calls me friend. I am a friend of God. I am a friend of God. I am a friend of God. He calls me friend. Who am I that you are mindful of me, how you hear me when I call? Is it true that you are thinking of me, how you love me? It's amazing, it's amazing, it's amazing. I am a friend of God. I am a friend of God. I am a friend of God. He calls me friend. I am a friend of God. I am a friend of God. I am a friend of God. He calls me friend. let the power of the Holy Ghost fall on me. Yeah, let the power of the Holy Ghost fall on me. Anointing fall on me. Oh, my mama and daddy talked about going home since I was just a babe on their knee. They said that nothing compared to what was waiting up there. How one day we would finally be free. Oh, but I've never seen it, but I keep on believing it'll be a place like I never known. I keep my eyes on the sky, my soul wants to fly. Lord, my heart is ready to go. I want to know how it feels to make my way down the streets of gold. I want to know how it feels to have a talk with the saints of old. I want to know what it's like to rest my feet by the river of life. I've heard of heaven and I know that it's real. I want to know how it feels.
Sometimes I get weary from this life that I live. It seems that peace is something I'll never find. I try to lighten my load and all that I've got to show. There's 700 things on my mind.
Well,
I'm seeing visions of a crystal clear river where sin's forgotten without a trace. More than I've ever dreamed, my eyes want to see the look of love on my Savior's face. I want to know how it feels to make my way down the streets of gold. I want to know how it feels to have a talk with the saints of old. I want to know what it's like to rest my feet by the river of life. I've heard of heaven and I know that it's real. I want to know how it feels. I've heard of heaven and I know that it's real. I want to know how it feels. I don't know why I did that. Sorry. I just went like, cause
I'm
it
keeping
had,
that in there.
okay.
Well, that's it, guys. I hope you liked that video. Subscribe to that channel. I'll leave a link to this channel and that channel here at the end. God bless.